Hi everyone, this is Chef Andrew from Keto Fine Dining and welcome back to my channel. So I probably don't have to tell you just how healthy spinach is for you. And since you clicked on this video, I'm willing to bet that you probably never actually end up eating enough of it, right? Well, in this video, I want to show you a magical combination that will make spinach taste so delicious that I promise you, you'll become addicted. So let me show you exactly how I make it. Here I have a large bowl with about 3 handfuls of spinach. Next, I'm going to add to the bowl about 2 handfuls of sliced cherry tomatoes. The easiest way to slice cherry tomatoes on half is to take 1 handful of cherry tomatoes at a time and firmly press it down with the palm of your hand over a cutting board. Then using a very sharp knife, slice it horizontally, right between the cutting board and your hand. Now let me take another handful of tomatoes and repeat the same process. Next, let's take about 3 to 4 strips of delicious crispy cooked bacon, coarsely chop it on small pieces, and add it to the bowl. The final step is to add my homemade blue cheese dressing and mix everything in. I have already made a video on how to make this incredibly healthy dressing a little while ago, so you can find the link at the end of this video or in the description below. When you're making this salad, it's very important to use dry spinach, otherwise the dressing will not stick well to the leaves properly and you will end up with a soggy salad. There you have it, guys. Serve the salad when it's fresh. As you can see, it's very simple to make, so give it a try and you will become addicted to spinach. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more delicious keto recipes, and I'll see you very soon in the next episode.